Okay, in this week's episode, we're going to talk about passing down money, not piles of crap, to your heirs. Greetings, I'm Robert, and I've spent my career fixing things, building systems that worked. Now I'm using that same thinking to make and save money in retirement, and I'm sharing what actually works. If you want the exact sheet I'm using, I've made it available for free. The link's below. You can use it, test it, don't overthink it. Most people say, I'm going to leave this to the kids. What they're leaving them is confusion. Someday this all will be yours. Basements, garages, storage units, full of things nobody but you understands the value of. So what happens? It gets discounted, donated, or thrown out. If no one but you knows what it's worth, then it isn't worth much. It's not emotional, it's practical. Documentation creates value. Silence destroys it. So imagine your heirs knowing what to sell, what to keep, what to donate. It's not about minimalism, and it's about clarity. Clarity reduces stress. Less stress, greater value. We are what we measure. Clean it up while you can explain it. Once you're gone, no one knows what you're thinking. Thinking is where the value lives. You spent a lifetime building. Now it's time to organize. It's not morbid, it's responsible. If you're close to retirement and you want to protect what you've built, put a value on it. And where it can be sold, put it on eBay. Give them a check, not a pile of stuff. I'm not selling hustle. I'm sharing how I decide what's worth my time and what's not. See you next week.